Thank you, Mr. Glazier.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. All right, so Ms. Underwood, you've had a chance to speak with Mr. Nolan. How would you like to proceed with Mr. Nolan?
Your Honor, Mr. Nolan would like to plead guilty to the violation.
All right, so Mr. Nolan, you want to raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, can, Mr. Nolan, we were previously, you put your hand down. We were previously here. You had asked for court-appointed counsel. We've appointed Ms. Underwood to represent you. You've had ample time to speak with Ms. Underwood?
Yes, I have.
Are you satisfied with Ms. Underwood as your attorney and the advice that she's given you?
Yes, I am.
All right, now, Mr. Nolan, do you understand that you have a right to contest this violation of probation charge?
Yes.
You understand you have a right to have a hearing on it?
Yes.
Do you understand throughout the hearing you would be presumed innocent until your guilt is proven by a preponderance of the evidence? Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have, let's see, you have a right to have all the witnesses against you appear at your trial, to have your lawyer ask those witnesses questions. You may ask them yourself, to have me order any witnesses you might have to appear at that trial. I'm so sorry. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, I do.
You do not have to testify at your trial. No one can say anything about you not testifying or hold it against you in any way. On the other hand, do you understand that you have a right to testify at your trial if you want to testify?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. How do you plead to the charge that you violated the terms of your probations on both files, and that you were ordered not to use any illegal controlled substances, and on April 7 of 25, you tested positive for marijuana and cocaine and admitted to the use of the same? So how do you plead to that charge? Guilty or not guilty on each file?
Guilty.
All right, do you understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up your right to a trial? Is that I've already explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anything been promised you to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Has anyone threatened you in any way to get you to plead guilty?
No.
If I accept this plea, you'll be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes, it is.
All right, so Mr. Nolan, on both of these files, you were placed on probation and then on November 8th of 24, you were ordered not to use any illegal controlled substances. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And then on April 7 of 25, was it a report day and you tested positive for marijuana and cocaine?
My colors.
All colors, okay. And you tested positive for marijuana and cocaine, is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And you did admit to using it, is that correct?
Yes, I did.
Accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. My next date available for sentencing is April 25. Are you available that day, Ms. Underwood?
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm going to set you for sentencing on April 25 at 8:15 in the morning, Mr. Nolan. Your probation officer will meet with you. They'll do a pre-sentence report, and then we'll see you back on that day for sentencing. Ms. Underwood will review that with you probably the day before sentencing. Mr. Moore, is this your file?
Sarah Teskey's, but correct, I was helping her with that.
I didn't know if you need to talk to Mr. Nolan.
I believe she will probably talk to him.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Nolan, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Judge,
Wait.
can we do that at 9:30?
Yep, we're gonna do April. Well, if I read her notes, I would have known. It's April 25th at 9:30. Are you available at 9:30, Rhonda Underwood?
I guess, Your Honor, yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Nolan. So 9:30 a.m. Do you want to be here in person or via Zoom, Mr. Nolan?
Zoom is fine.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Mr. Nolan. We'll see you back.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Nolan. All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jonathan Gonzalez Rodriguez. We have, wait, what's your name?
Ricardo Garcia.
Oh, I didn't think you were him. All right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ricardo Anthony Garcia. File number 21-20525FH and 21-20575FC. So, Mr. Garcia, we are here on a request and warrant for probation violation that was filed or signed by this court on April 15th of 2025 for both files. And Mr. Garcia, it is alleged that you committed the following, and this is a technical violation. On February 3rd of 2022, you were ordered to report to the probation department any change of address within 24 hours. It's alleged that you failed to do that and you changed your address on March 11 without permission of the field agent. The second one is a non-technical violation. On February 3rd of 2022, you failed to, let's see.
Ma'am, I was in prison at that time.
Yeah, hold on. Count three, I'm trying to read this because it says on February 3rd of 22, probably you were ordered to report to the probation department, and then you failed to report on March 19 of 2025. So anyway, tell me, when were you in prison, Mr. Garcia?
Okay, I got out of prison in November of 2024. I was in prison for 3.5 years from 2021 August to November 2024.
When did you get out of prison again? November of 24?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you report to the probation department?
Yeah, when I got out of prison, I reported everything.
Okay. So I'm struggling, Ms. Walsh, to read the felony warrant. I guess he was placed on probation in 22. One of the allegations is he moved on March 11 of 25 without permission of the agent. It says February 30 failed to report to the probation. I think that meant he was supposed to be ordered to, and that he failed to report on March 19th of 25. So I think the allegations are both Ms. Underwood when I read it, that in March of 2025, he violated the terms of probation. So, Mr. Garcia, you have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings. Can't afford to hire one. We will appoint you one at public expense. We have Ms. Underwood here. Would you like an opportunity to speak with her?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay. All right. We will appoint counsel. Ms. Underwood, I am going to close this breakout room. So I'm going to put you two together. Underwood. All right. Go ahead and join that breakout room. Mr. Sneed, I think we have, let's see.